Good day, everyone. Welcome to math class. Today we are looking at Roman numeral. Roman numeral. We want to simplify everything so that you can understand it. Basically, Roman numeral is a system of counting which is different from the normal counting we do. The normal counting we do is called Indo-Arabic numeral. Okay, so Roman numeral is another way of counting things, and it is being done with the use of alphabet instead of numbers that we are familiar with. So let's start counting now. In Roman numeral, 1 stands for I, and 2 is I. 3 is I. 4 takes a different shape. 4 is IV. That is 5 minus 1, which gives us 4. And 5 is V. 6 is VI. 7 is VII. 8 is VIII. 9 is IX. That's 10 minus 1. And 10 is X. 20 is XX. 30 is XXX. 40 is 50 minus 1, which is XL. 50 is L. 60 is LX. 70 is LXX. 80 is LXXX. 90 is 10 minus 100, which is XC. That is 90. And 100 is C. 200 is CC. 300 is CCC. 400 is CD. That is 500 minus 100. That will give us 400. 500 is D. 600 is DC. 700 is DCC. 800 is DCCC. And 900 is CM. And 1000 is M. I'm going to stop on 1000. Now, the basic thing I want us to focus on is how to write this Roman numeral in Indo-Arabic numeral and Indo-Arabic numeral in Roman numeral. That is our main focus this week. Okay, so but before we go that, we must learn this and master it very well. Okay, so that it will guide you in writing. 1 is I, 2 is II, 3 is III, 4 is IV, 5 is V, 6 is VI, 7 is VII, 8 is VIII, 9 is IX, 10 is X, 20 is XX, 30 is XXX, 40 is XL, 50 L, 60 LX, 70 LXX, 80 LXXX, 90 XC, 100 C, 200 CC, 300 CCC, 400 CD, 500 D, 600 DC, 700 DCC, 800 DCCC, 900 CM, and 1000 is M. Now, if you want to write any number, all what you need to do is to look at the number and join these ones together. Let's take, for example, now. Okay, let's write this now in Roman numeral. We have A 43. 43 is a combination of 40 and 3. That makes up 43. So the first thing we do here is to break this number down. 40 plus 3. Don't make the mistake of saying this is 43, 4 and 3, which some of you do. You say 4 and 3, just write 4, IV, write 3, I. This is rubbish. There's nothing like I in Roman numeral. The first thing you do is to break your numbers down, which is 40 and 3. And 40 is what? XL. 3 is what? I. Then you put this together, that will give you XL, I. That is 43. The second one is 64. You break it down, 60 plus 4. 60 is what? LX. 4 is what? IV. Join it together, that is LXIV. Okay? The next one is C. C is 139. Okay? 100 is what? C. Okay, let's break it down first. 100 plus 30 plus 9. 100 is what? C. 30 is what? X. And your 9 is IX. Join everything together, that will be CXXXIX. That is 139. Then the last one under that is 465. This is 400 plus 60 plus 5. This is 400 is CD, 60 is LX, 5 is V. Join everything together, CDLXV. You can see that is a very simple work. All what you need to know is to know the techniques. And the techniques is to break your numbers down and join it together. Let's look at the other side of this work now. Example 2. Write the following Indo-Arabic numeral in write the following in Indo-Arabic numeral. Okay, that's the instruction. Write the following in Indo-Arabic numeral. We have A, XLI, B, LXXIV, C, CCLXI, and D, MCDLII. Okay, let's solve this now. In solving this type, what you need to do is to break these questions down one by one. A, we have XLI. You cannot say LXI. No. This can be, you can break this down into two places. XL, remember, is 40. This is not 10, 50, 1. No. This is 40 and this is 1. So the first thing we'll do is to write XL, that is 40, and I, that is 1. Add it together. This is 1 and this is 40. That's our answer for number 1, 41. Then number 2, we have LXXIV. We break this down. This is 70, but if you like, you can break it down as 50, 20, and 4. But you don't need to be childish about it. LXX is 70, so break it down into two places. So this is LXX, which is 70. Then we have IV, which is 4. That is 4, and this is 7. So that is 74. Okay, we look at the next one. The next one is CCLXI. Okay, we break this down. CC is 200. LX, this one now we are breaking it down into three places. That is 200. LX is 60. And I is 1. And when you are breaking it down, arrange your work very well. Because if you not arrange it very well, your addition will not give you the right answer. Remember your 110s and units when you are adding up. Okay? This will give us 1. This is 6. And this is 2. That is 261. The last question now, we have M D M C D L I I I. M is 1000, CD is 400. Remember your 100 tens and unit. L is 50. I is 3. So this one I will break it down into 4 places. So we now add. This will give us 3. This is 5. This is 4. And this is 1. This is 1453. Okay. Exercise now. Number 1. Write in Roman numeral. You have 39, 135, 621. And number 2. Write in Indo-Arabic numeral. Explain what Indo-Arabic numeral is for you. You write XLIX, and the last one is DCCLIII. Remember to always share this video to your friends and tell them to always press the subscribe button and like our videos. Bye.